Hi everyone, this is a video about this Samsung DeX Station for desktop experience. It's very tongue twisting, and this has been around since Samsung S8, and there are many videos about this item that explains everything, but this video is more or less about show and tell. I tell you about the good thing about this and the bad thing about this. Unfortunately, this is just going to be a rant about this one, not really video experience about how this one operates. If you would like me to demonstrate all of those, please leave a comment down below, and then I get back to you as soon as I can. So these decks, there are in this version, in this round version, there are two of them. One of them comes with a charger and a cable, and the other one just comes with the unit itself. So this is the one that it comes with the charger and the cable, and I get it out of the box and I show you in a little moment. When you open the box, this is what is inside: the station, DeX Station itself, and the user manual and some instruction that we don't need them. I explain to you everything in length. This is the adapter, fast charger adapter, and the cable itself. Anyhow, after I watched many videos about this to see how it operates, I'm rather disappointed. First of all is it doesn't have USB type 3 and connectivity, and this one more or less is useless because most of the mobiles, this is the Ethernet connection. Most of the mobiles Wi-Fi is as strong as this one, but if you want uninterrupted internet connection, you can use this. And then you have an HDMI. I am not absolutely sure if this one is type 2, because when I'm connecting it to the TV, it's just offering me high definition picture, not 4K or even 2K. And this is the charging port and nothing else. And then the way that you use this is just twist this around and then connect your mobile phone to that type C connector there that also charges at the same time your mobile phone. Anyhow, they say this is a really good thing when you don't have access to your computer or laptop or desktop, whatever that you call it. But unfortunately, if you want to use it, this is my Note 9. If you want to use it with this one, first of all, each time you want to use it, you have to take out from the cover itself the protector and connect it, because with this is impossible to connect it there. So this is coming in two versions. We talked about the round one, and this is a new version that is flat and is allowing you to use the phone in a horizontal position as a touchpad, and that's really it. Anyhow, it has a fan inside that if you're overloading your mobile with many applications open, and the search engines windows are open. The fan is coming on and then is cooling down your phone. But I never heard it since I've got this with my Note 9, because Note 9, it has a very effective cooling system inside. And then if you look at these two notches here and there, these two still, if you have a case, even thin case, avoiding your mobile phone to go there. Okay, I've been talking about this, that they are saying if you have this, you can use this as your desktop experience. But just look at this. First, you have to take your phone out of the case, and then you need a mouse and a keyboard. And then if you don't want to take it out of your case, you need a connector like this to extend. With this one I can put my mobile phone there without any problem, and I don't need to take it out of the case. So this is a must to have. And then if you want to use it in flat position, you need one of these, and this one is really touch and go. If you go on internet and if you want to buy one of these, all of them, they are advertising something like this that is really brilliant in terms of transfer data and connectivity, fast charging, and the quality of the cable. But they send you something rubbish like this, that it doesn't even fast charge. So be careful when you are purchasing one of these type C cables. And in addition to that, you need one of these. This is HDMI 2.0 cable, because I connect this to my TV, and my TV is across the room. And because of that reason, I have to purchase the 5-meter length of this brilliant HDMI. But still, with this cable and with my TV, I cannot get more than full HD picture. And so you need all of these: mouse and a keyboard, maybe this and this, as well as charger and the charging cable, and most of all, a screen to connect all of these together. So we assume that you have done that, and my experience is the writings on the screen is so small. Let me just put all of these there for you guys to see what you need with this. I put this one here in order to use this item. So my experience is that everything is really tiny, the writings are really tiny, and even when I turn the screen, the font size larger, as large as it can, it doesn't affect the writings on the screen. And apart from that, you have to have all of these in order to use it. The price of this minimum is about under £50, £50, and some crazy sellers, they are selling this for over £80. Now, when was the S8 coming out? It was 2017, and still they are selling this very dearly. Anyhow, the other one, the price is a little bit cheaper. This one is £30, and It doesn't have the Ethernet connection that I told you already, that is useless in that sense. And this is the connectivity of this without the Ethernet, and it has the fan here. So it's a very good idea, but still is very early to use this full time as a desktop experience. So this was a video about this DeX Station, Samsung DeX Station, and it designed for the S8 onwards up to now. And my experience is, do not waste your money to buy this because of all of these stuff that you need in order to use this product. But by all means, if you don't have a laptop or a computer, you can use this. But remember, you need all of these. If you don't want to take your case out, also you need this and this. But if you have no problem taking your case out, you don't need these two. But with this item, with this round one, is necessary to have both of this. And I mean, if I want, this is my setup, and I'm telling you that I am happy with all of these things that I have bought, but unfortunately my experience wasn't as good. So there are a lot more I mean, to improve on this. First of all, get rid of these type 2 USBs, and then give it a better HDMI connectivity to transfer a better quality picture, as well as, making it case friendly with this type C connection. And then the other thing is, if you can also use it flat, it would be fantastic. But in this case, with this item, you cannot do that. And it's good looking, but in general, I do not recommend you to spend all of that money. This cable was about 12 pounds. This cable was about £7. This was about under £4. Let me see if it's just focuses. And the item itself was about £50, and the keyboard and the mouse is something roughly under £10. Anyhow, so you need in general an investment about under £100 if you're lucky to use this. And every time, if you don't have these two, you have to take your case out and put it in there and then put it back in the case. That is a little bit of palaver. Anyhow, this rant is getting too long. It's supposed to be a really short video about this, and for those that are disappointed that I'm not going to demonstrate how this system works, leave a comment down below. On my next video, I make a part 2, and I share my experience on big screen TV, how it operates. Anyhow, thanks for watching, and until my next video, I thank you again, all of my subscribers, all of my viewers. Thank you. You are the reason that I'm doing all of this, and keep on doing what you are doing and watching my videos. And until my next video, take care of yourself and each other, and as always, have a great time.